Good afternoon, guys. I'm just putting this short video together for a scalping technique, which I've been looking at and put together. Please know I haven't tried it yet. I haven't took any trades whatsoever using this, but I've been watching it live in the market, and it seems to be very, very consistent. And it is a 1-minute chart scalping system. However, I'm using in Confluence for the signals a 3 EMAs, a Williams %R indicator, and an awesome indicator multi-time frame. So if I just pull up the indicator list, forget the day of the week and the vertical week open. The main indicators are the 20 period exponential EMA, the second moving average is the 50 EMA, and finally the 100 EMA. We do have a Williams %, which this line going up or down, and the multi-time frame awesome indicator, which gives me a higher time frame bias for me to take the trade in the direction of what this oscillator is telling me. So entry rules: you've got, for short, you've got to be under the 100 EMA, with the 20 crossing the 50, and ultimately the 50 crossing the 100. I will take trades like this because it's my favourite pattern, but we just stick to the rules on what I want to see using the indicators. So the first signal will come here. You've got your 50 and a 20 crossed the 100. The 5-minute time frame oscillator is pointing down, and it's red. And when I see that, and the price comes up to a 20 EMA, what I wait for then is a 3-bar, 4-bar pattern, and I take it on the next bar after the 4th bar. So if I look here, the 4th bar is there, but I won't take it yet because I want to see the Williams %R cross the 50% mark, which means it's bearish. So I will take it as this red candle here starts to come down. So your entry will be here. You do a 20 pip or 20 point stop and 20 point take profit. Again, once that's been done, your next signal is here. It's red and it's still pointing down. It comes up, touches the 20 EMA, 3-bar, 4, and you take it on this next candle. As the Williams %R has gone past the 50% mark, which is a bearish condition, the 5-minute time frame oscillator is still bearish, which gives us confidence that it's going to go down, and you will take it on this candle here for a 20 pip stop, or 20 points, 20 point take profit. Once it's down the lower part of this graph here and it starts turning blue, it's a sign that momentum may change to the upside. So once I see a blue, I'll then wait for it to start crossing again. So if I go back, other signals were here. It's gone past the 0 line and it's bullish on the 5-minute. It's going up, no red signals. The Williams %R is below the 50, and once it goes above the 50, you're looking for your signal. So you see, first one is here, and you don't take it on the 4th one because the Williams % isn't above the 50, so you know that's a dud signal. Here's the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4th candle. It's still not above a 50% mark on here. I want to wait for the Williams percent to go above the 50%. So because you've had a 4-bar candle, it hasn't gone below the swing low here. You do take it on this next candle, which is here. You do a 20 pip or 20 point SL, and then 20 points up. You'd be looking for another signal here, and this is the beauty of this 5-minute oscillator. Comes down into the EMAs, gives you a 4-bar signal, but guess what? The momentum's changed red, so it stops all the bad signals going long again. So when you start seeing red, you're looking for it to go below the 0 line on the oscillator, and the EMAs give you confluence for it to continue going down. Go back last week, yesterday. The stats on this, I've been watching this live because sometimes indicators lag and go up and down, but because it's a 5-minute oscillator, it's really slow and the signals are really consistent. Where are we? So you don't trade that time of day anyway. I keep forgetting it's a 1-minute chart. Oh, the MT4 seems to be really slow today. Because in a flat market, you see the EMAs cross. It's all over the place. You know when not to trade that. It's still blue. Be waiting for it to come up before you start trading anything like this. So you can see in a bad flat market, you just won't trade it. Start off in London yesterday. European Open for the DAX. It's blue 5-minute indication, no red yet. A Williams %R, which is a 14 period. I keep forgetting to say that. Comes up above the 50%. The blue is there above the 50 as well, and it's going up. So it gives you a green light then to look for your 3-bar pattern here. Hasn't gone up yet, not yet. 4-bar pattern has started there, and on this candle, start this blue candle, you will take it for 20 pips, 20 pips. Stop loss all below there, will do a 1-to-1. Can be quite volatile this DAX, so you'll easily get a 1-to-1 using this strategy. So let me just recap. The indicators are a 20, a 50, and a 100 EMA. We have a Williams % 14 period. All these indicators, apart from the awesome oscillator, is in your standard MT4. And we have the 5-minute awesome indicator. When you get it, you just type in the 5-minute time frame. If you want to do a longer term, if you want a 60-minute, you can do that as well. Let's change the, so I could show you how it changes onto the screen. So if you want to do a 5-minute setup, you can do a multi-time frame on the hourly, using an hourly oscillator on the 5-minute chart as well. So that's it. What I'll do is I'll place the template and this awesome indicator in the Telegram group, and just give it a try. Just play about with this if you want to use Renkos whatsoever, but it seems really consistent. I haven't traded it yet. That's why I want to relay it out to you guys and see what you think. Yeah, just trying to do something for the group, and I'll post this later and let me know what you think. Cheers and bye-bye.